Hi guys, and this is part 2 of this month's series addressing your mental health and hormones at different stages of a woman's life. I'm Dr. Shevon Joseph, and in this video we are talking about puberty, the first big hormonal storm. Let's start at the beginning. Puberty, and if you are a parent or you work with teenagers, really tune in here because this is a phase that is widely underestimated in terms of its emotional impact. Puberty typically starts between ages 8 and 13, and in girls, it doesn't just mean physical changes. Estrogen and other hormones surge for the first time, and the teenage brain, which is already undergoing massive restructuring, now has to process massive hormonal shifts on top of that. What this looks like? Mood swings. Mood swings that seem to come out of nowhere. 1 hour she's laughing, the next she's in her room crying, increased anxiety, especially social anxiety, rage, heightened sensitivity to rejection or conflict, sleep changes. Teenagers generally need more sleep and have a shifted sleep cycle. And importantly, the rate of depression and anxiety in girls increases significantly during and after puberty. This is not a personality issue. This is a neurological and hormonal transition. How to cope at this stage is important. Track the menstrual cycle for your teen from the very first period. Even a simple period tracking app helps teenagers begin to see patterns in their moods. Prioritize sleep. Screens off at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Sleep is when hormones regulate themselves. Movement matters. Exercise boosts serotonin and helps with the emotional volatility that you may see in teenagers. Even 20 minutes of walking counts. Talk without judgment. Teenagers need adults who normalize their emotional experience during puberty instead of dismissing it. Parents, if your daughter is consistently low, however, withdrawn, extremely anxious for weeks at a time, please take that seriously. Talk to your pediatrician or a mental health professional. Early intervention makes a real difference. Puberty requires increased calories and nutrients to support rapid growth and development, including high protein for muscles, to develop calcium and vitamin D for bone density, and iron for blood volume. Proper nutrition is vital, as overnutrition, which is obesity, may accelerate puberty in girls, while malnutrition, undernutrition, can delay it. Healthy habits are encouraged. Consume 3 balanced meals daily with nutritious snacks. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit processed foods and high-fat items, and ensure adequate hydration with water.